Hello, welcome to the channel. This video is going to cover the unboxing, assembly and a test of the Aovopro ESMINI e-scooter. This is a 250 watt e-scooter aimed at younger riders and younger adults up to 100 kilograms. So this scooter came from Aovopro.com. There are a number of fake websites out there, so please do purchase your scooter from Aovopro.com. This scooter is retailing at the time of this video at £169 here in the UK. It's a 250 watt motor, it's an aluminium frame, and there is a rear brake light that lights up, a maximum load of 100 kilograms and also a charging time of just 3 hours. The all important range for this scooter is 15 kilometers. So moving on to the unboxing. This scooter came in a very solid box, and as you can see on the outside of the box there is the QR code for the app which helps you control the Aovopro ES1 Mini. So opening up the box, it's a very sturdy, well packaged item, and you will see here that there is bubble wrap protecting the scooter as well as foam. A really well packaged scooter that will survive transit from any part of Europe through to your destination. So removing the foam here, you will see that the scooter is really well packaged. Both ends of the scooter have got foam as well as that middle section. So removing the foam from each end, you can see there that the bars are yet to be attached at the scooter ends, and also the folding mechanism is all intact on the front of the scooter. So moving on to the assembly of the scooter, there's very little to do essentially. If I open up the bag and show you what contents are inside. Just minimal items inside the bag. It's great to see that Aovopro have included a UK charger, which is not often the case for some scooters. Sometimes they're supplied with a European plug. So yeah, this one is provided with a UK plug, a standard charging unit. There are the two bars that screw into the ends as well as the footrest here. So there are the bars. And then finally, the last part of the package is the all-important instructions. So this is a scooter that's designed for a range of people. So here are the bars. It's height adjustable bars on this scooter. They screw in really solidly on each end. They only screw in one way, and of course whenever you try to screw something in, you tend to go the wrong way first, just like that. So let's try the other way. There you go, that's better. A really solid connection on the bars there. So the next part, and really the last part of the assembly, is to screw the footrest onto the scooter itself. Very simple, two small bolts that are covered by an Allen key which is supplied with the scooter. So just important to get the level of the footrest, sort of equal distance, and then a final tighten, and that is the assembly pretty much complete. So as I said, this is a folding scooter, and the folding mechanism is really simple actually. That's the lever there that helps you open and close. So pulling down helps you open the scooter, and it's quite stiff to begin with as it's a brand new scooter. So what you need to do is push at that top of the scooter to help the lever snap in place. So you will see me just give one final push here, and the scooter just snaps into place nicely. And there is a sort of rubber section that stops any bounce with the Aovopro genuine sticker on the side of the scooter there. So as you can see here, this is the sort of standard, as you would expect, mechanism to see the bar adjusted to a number of different levels, so 3 different levels, and there are 2 levers, one black for accelerate, red for brake. So pretty simple, red for stop, if you think about it that way. Importantly, here is the on button. Switching it on indicates that there are 5 LED lights which show that there is a full battery. The lights go out as you run the battery down, essentially. A close-up here of those 5-inch solid tyres, and the scooter really does move at quite a rate of knots for a 250-watt scooter. As you can see there, the brake is pretty aggressive as well as I'm applying it there. So yeah, let's move on to the test. The bars lock out at 90 degrees in each direction, and the footrest there works really effectively, as you can see. It's actually a much bigger scooter than I expected, really. You know, it says on the site that it's aimed for young adults, but as you can see, as I ride past here, it's actually a really good fit for me, and I'm 5'10", so yeah, a great fit for me as an adult. Here's the app. You can see here with the rear wheel lifted off the ground, it takes you up to 25 kilometers, and here is a close-up of the app using screen recording. So again, you can see 25 kilometers per hour is the speed that it maxes out at. And here I'm probably travelling at about 25 kilometers an hour as I just take this corner here. There are a number of different options on the app, of course. You can adjust the accelerator response. It maxes out at 5 for this scooter, and that's the same as the brake response. But I noticed that you can take the speed limit up to 28 kilometers per hour. But once again there, 5 kilometers, 5 is the limit rather for the brake and accelerator response. 3 different modes on this app. Eco takes you to a maximum of 12 kilometers, slow is 20, and sport is 25. And the final screen there showing you a range of different options and indications. For example, the battery was at 85%. Once again here, the folding mechanism. Just an opportunity if you're seeing fine detail, what it's like to fold the scooter back up, a quick snap, and a really solid base there. And I'm just giving you a bit of footage here, riding through some of the streets near where we live, and as you can see, moving along at a nice pace here for somebody like me who is approaching up to 100 kilograms on a scooter that's designed for up to that limit. So if you're a lighter rider, you will find this scooter, really great to ride on. So a slight downhill gradient here, taking me back to where we live.
nice pace to be riding along at. So, you know, if you're thinking about buying this scooter for a younger rider, a teen, you know, this is not going to be, you know, a too riskier ride in terms of the top speed. As you can see there, a nice stable ride. So yeah, really nice. So, and finally, just a reminder here that this is a UK supplied plug, and you can see here that once plugged in, there's a really good solid catch that covers the charging port, and the adapter here glows red as the scooter is charging. It goes green once the scooter is charged, and again, it takes about 3 hours for this scooter to fully charge. The brake light is lit as you apply the rear foot brake, so there are 2 brakes on this scooter, one on the front and one on the rear.
So there you go, that's the end of this unboxing, assembly and review video for the Aovopro ESMINI e-scooter. As always, thanks to Aovopro for sending me this scooter to review. I hope you found this edit useful, and hope it helps you make your mind up as to whether you're going to purchase one of these e-scooters, again aimed at riders under 100 kilograms. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe, and as always, I will see you in the next one.